Second one on the day, Chip. It's the second one. Sunday morning. Back out here. It's a nice one though. Hooking right at the side of the mouth with the swim bait. You know what I'm saying? Starting off a good day. It's nice bass. Nice bass. Let me see if I can unhook them. There you go. There you go. Get a release on them right fast. Put a spot. Nice bass though. Nice bass. What a way to start a morning.